As part of our development plan, we have set out to develop a Grommet squad. Groms, the juniors of surfers. The goal of the Grommet squad is to teach the kids from Saldanha Bay how to swim and then to overcome their fears by taking them to paddle around Dial Rock as an initiation, from where we take them to the waves in Paternoster. In Paternoster, they learn how to wait for sets, where to wait for the ocean currents, and how to overcome fear.
The West Coast Peninsula is not a big place. It's made out of scattered towns, and we have to travel at least 20 kilometers to go surf at Paternoster. Paternoster is the first step to be able to surf the West Coast Peninsula. From there's at least 20 different spots that we need to take the Groms to. Our car is not big enough to transport our entire club. It has grown exponentially. On the West Coast, we do not have any public transport to rely on. We are the only way that Groms can get to and from the beach, and now we need to upgrade to a surf bus. Check out our GoFundMe and the Veska Skrewe from Extreme Abilities on the West Coast. You!